Hello students, in this class we are going to know about the power in resistive network. Power in resistive network or circuit, okay? You can say. So now here I am taking one voltage source. This is the one voltage source. From this voltage source I am connecting one resistor. When we connect this resistor like this, we have the voltage V, small v. Small v means instantaneous voltage. Here instantaneous voltage equals to Vm means maximum voltage into sine of omega t. Okay. When we apply this voltage across this resistor, some current is passing through the resistor. This is I passing through the resistor. Now if we see how the waveform will be. Okay, let me draw here. Here you can see this is the time scale. Here I am taking two parameters, one is voltage, one is current. Here you can see already this is the here we will take phi. Pi means 180 degree. Okay, pi by 2 means 180 by 2, that is 90 degree. So from here waveform is like this. This is the voltage waveform. Okay, and you can see the current waveform also. Current waveform is just in line with it, means current waveform is starting at same point, going like this, ending at same point, again in negative sequence also starting and ending at same point. But why this difference is there? If we see voltage will be some around 230 volts, 220 volts, 220, 415. So this is the magnitude. Okay, this is the voltage level. In that particular circuit, current will be very less. For understanding, I have drawn here, but it will be very less like this. Why? Because the current will be around 5 amperes to 15 ampere like that. So its magnitude is very small. So they represented like this. Okay. This is the current, voltage waveform and current waveform. This okay, I will see ahead. Now we are going to see Ohm's law. Ohm's law says this: I equals to V by R. Here this is a small v. Okay, capital V we write like this. Okay. Now what is the difference between small v and capital V? Small v is the instantaneous voltage. Instantaneous voltage, I means current, R is the resistance. Here we already saw in previous slide, small v equals to Vm sin omega t. Small I equals to, this is also Im sin omega t. If you substitute these values here, that is I equals to Im sin omega t equals to V equals to Vm sin omega t by R. Sin omega t will get cancelled. Im equals to Vm by R. But these are the maximum values, or we can say RMS value. In waveform we have average value. that is when the waveform is like this, here the voltage is 100 volt, but at this point the voltage is 50. At this point it will be 30 volts like this. Already taught about this one, 7, 8, 9. In this the average value is 8. Like this, in this waveform the average value will come around here, that is 70.7. we have 30, 50, 100, means from here to here if you take the values we will get different values, but the average value will come around here, that is 70.7, means the I average equals to 70.7. okay, that you can write like this. I am sorry here I will write Im equals to I average by 0.707, Vm equals to B average by 0.707. If we substitute these two values in this, we will get I by 0.707, B by 0.707 by R. We can write like this, I by 0.707, which is equals to V by 0.707 into R. Here you can see this will get cancelled. We will get the formula, that is I equals to V by R. This is the current formula in resistive networks. Now we are going to see the power formula. What is the power formula? Here you can see, we'll take, okay, we have power formula, that is power equal to voltage into current. Voltage into current. Okay, V is the voltage, I is the current. Here we have voltage in upward direction, current is also in phase. If you see here, when we apply some voltage like this is the voltage Vm, this one I am drawing here. Okay, this is the current flowing in this, in phase with it, Im. What is this in phase? You will understand in next topic. So when current is starting in this waveform, when voltage is starting here, current is also going to start here only. This we say in phase. So this voltage and currents are in phase in resistive networks. During this condition, if you take the power, this is the power waveform. You can see the power waveform. When the voltage is like this, current is also in phase. So the power waveform is this one. Here also you can see, this is the power waveform. Now from this, here if we discuss about power formula, power equals to small v into small I. Already discussed about small v. Small v equals to Vm sin omega t. Small I equals to Im sin omega t. Here if we see power, that is equals to Vm sin omega t into Im sin omega t. Okay, in this Vm into Im, these two, sin omega t into sin omega t, we will get sin square omega t. Okay, this is the power formula. We will continue this. I am writing power formula again. Power equals to Vm Im sin square theta. From trigonometry we know this formula. Cos 2 theta equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta. And we have one more formula. Sin square theta minus cos square theta. Sorry, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. From this, cos square theta equals to cos 1 minus sin square theta. If we substitute this here, we will get in place of cos square theta 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, that we will get 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, now we got this is one formula. I am continuing it. Cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, here I am taking this one, will go this side. Cos 2 theta minus 1 equals to minus 2 sin square theta. If I multiply with minus both sides, we will get 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 sin square theta. I am sending this here. Sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. This is the final formula we got. Sin square theta formula. Now I am going to substitute the sin square theta formula in power equation. There you can see, but in case in the place of theta we have omega t here. Okay, here this is not theta, that is omega t, sin square omega t. Now what the power formula will become? Vm into Im, this formula, Im into 1 minus cos 2 theta. Here it is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, now we can see this. Now I am going to multiply with this. What the value will come? Vm into Im by 2 minus Vm into Im by 2 into cos 2 theta. Okay, in this is the constant part, this is constant, and this one is the fluctuating. This is the fluctuating value. Okay, In this fluctuating value is going to become 0. Okay, fluctuating will come 0. Now we'll take this power. Power equals to Vm Im by 2. We already know one more formula. Vm equals to V by 0.707. What is 0.707? I'll write in the next. Power equals to Vm Im by 2. We have one average power V equals to Vm by root 2. That means, sorry, here we wrote like this, Vm by 0.707. I equals to Im by 0.707. You know what is the value of 1 by root 2? Check in calculator, it will come 0.707. So I am, instead of 0.707, I am writing root 2. That is V equals to Vm by root 2. I equals to Im by root 2. Okay. Here, can I write power formula like this? Vm by root 2 into Im by root 2. Why? Because if you multiply again, you will get Vm Im by root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 equals to 2 only. So you will get same value. So I am splitting here in Vm by root 2 into Im by root 2. Now from this, what is the Vm by root 2 value? That is V power equals to Vm by root 2 value is V into Im by root 2 value I. This is the power formula in a resistor. In resistor, power formula is power equals to voltage into current. This is the final power formula. What are the units of power? Watts. So in resistor, the power is not 0. Power equals to voltage into current. And we know about current. What is formula for I? I equals to V by R. Okay. From this, we have power equals to V into I. Now I am substituting this I value here. Power equals to voltage into V by R. That we can say V square by R. Power equals to V square by R. This is the final power formula. Okay, otherwise we can write one more formula. What is V? V equals to I into R. We know already. From this one only you can see. V equals to I into R. S. Here you can see. If you send this one here, you will get V equals to I into R. If you substitute this V value here, okay, V equals to I into R. Here you will get power equals to, in place of V, I into R into I. You will get the formula power equals to I square into R. This is another formula. For calculating power, we have three formulas. So power equals to voltage into current. Power equals to voltage square by resistance. Power equals to current square into resistance. So based on the values, we can choose any one formula. In a circuit, he mentioned like this. In a circuit, 10 volts, 2 amperes. Calculate the power. We can use this formula. In a circuit, 10 volts, 2 ohms. Calculate the power. We can use this formula. In a circuit, 5 amperes, 3 ohms is there. Calculate the power. We can use this formula. So this is the power formula for resistor in case of AC circuit. Okay. Thank you.